No DC out. Means that power supply is shut. That's a lot, but I can maybe figure out why. Probably a fuse somewhere. Negative. There should be 12 volts here. Nothing. There's no voltage there. Okay. There should be 1, 2, 3, 5 volts. There should be ground. 5 volts. 5 volts should be around here somewhere. Unless ground is not ground. It's possible ground is not ground. No voltage coming out of that supply. Why? Okay, you need probably have to have an on trigger to trigger it on. Okay. What we got here? What's this nonsense? What the hell is that? That's a heat sink. Big heat sink. We should have some power going here somewhere. There's nothing coming out. So there's power coming in, nothing coming out. Jumper. There's no fuse anywhere, I don't see. Where is the fuse? What are these things? Capacitors, CX. Jump 101, jump. Okay. Jumper, what's this? This is SR capacitor. SR capacitor, okay. Capacitor. What the hell is this? 25AL. What the hell is that? I don't see where there's any voltage coming out of it. Power's going in, nothing coming out. Okay. Why is that? What can we do here? Why is there nothing coming out? The power supply has a problem. By the looks of it. It's got LED. This is for LEDs. This is what's happening there. 5.5 volts output there. 1, 2, 3, 4 terminals. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 48 volts. It should be 48 volts. 48 volts DC or AC. 48 or 72. This is for two. This is an output for two different systems. Okay, depending where the jumper is. Cold. This says cold. Okay, cold output. Okay, cold output. 5 volts. Should be between there and ground. Let's see what we got. See what we got between there and ground. Anything? Nothing. Nothing. Oop, I got something there. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing on any. This power supply has got, looks like it's failed. Well, what else can I say? It's got to be a fuse somewhere. Where the heck is the fuse? There's no fuse. Why is there no fuse? AC hot. This should be hot. Okay. It says hot. That says hot. Okay. That should be hot. Between there and there. It's not even hot. Hot. Hot to ground? Let's see if it's hot to ground. Nothing. Nothing. It's not even hot there.